To enable continuous snoring detection for better sleep insight on your Galaxy Watch, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so on your phone, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting. Next, tap health. Under measurement section, tap sleep. Tap the gray on off switch next to snore detection until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap snore detection and then select always to enable continuous snoring detection during your sleep. By enabling continuous snoring detection, your Galaxy Watch can give you more detailed insight into your sleep pattern, helping you better understand and improve your sleep quality. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.